Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your credit report from Experian step by step. So the tutorial today is how to download your Experian credit report. First, once you've received your PIN by post, go back to the Credit Expert website and click on the Member Login button. On the login page, enter your username and password, then click Next. As an extra security step, you'll be asked to enter specific letters from the memorable word you created during registration. Enter the required letters and click Login. On the next screen, enter your PIN in the box provided and click Go. You'll now be logged in and taken to your credit overview page. From here, click on View Your Full Credit Report to see a complete breakdown of your credit information. Once your full credit report is open, look for the option to download or save the report as a PDF. Select this option to download the credit report to your device. After the download is complete, you can open the PDF to view or save a copy for your records. And that's it. That's how you download your credit report from Experian. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more credit and finance tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.